Are you ready to unleash the power of the Power Platform? Join us a festive and the fun video series like last year that we will show you how to create an amazing apps, govern your tenant, introduce Copilot into the Power Platform, Power Pages, model-driven app, Power Automate, Power BI, Fabric, so many things, Copilot Studio, and learn something more about the Azure AI services also. Each day, you will get a new tips from our experts that will help you to learn something new, solve the problem, or improve your skills. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you will find something useful and interesting in the advent calendars. Don't miss out the opportunity to power up your productivity and creativity with the Power Platform. I'm Ambe Singh, and I will be covering the topic around the accessibility in the Power Pages. Let me ask Nikita what in his bucket to bringing for us. So over to you, Nikita.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I'm passionate about artificial intelligence. This year I'll talk about how can you integrate pro-code approach into your Power Platform solutions, how to set up correct CI/CD for your development goals, and how to connect to 3D parties services like artificial intelligence from Azure Services. Milad, the stage is yours.
Everyone, I'm Milad. I'm very thankful to be here. What I'm going to talk about is something regarding audit log and security roles. And the second thing is about how to grant access to several Power Platform components, which you normally cannot share through the UI. That's it about me. And now I'm handing over to Marius. Thanks.
Thanks. Hi there, I'm Marius, and I have partnered with a colleague, Serkan, who is sadly not here today. We will present you a little demo case around integrating Azure OpenAI with model-driven apps. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I will hand over to Ambesh again for the ones who aren't here today.
Thank you, Milad. We have a message from Bluent and Benedict, so let me play for that. Also, Zerkan, Sachin, and Shweta are not here, but you will see them in the coming days.
Hi everyone, my name is Bülent Daltonstow. I'm happy to here to present you three of my topics. The first topics will be around all the news from Ignite, which has happened in the last weeks. So we will learn what Copilot Studio will have on awesome new features in the upcoming weeks and months. A second topic will be about agents. So this is a new hype, and we will look into autonomous agents in Copilot Studio. And this last topic will be about what could it be also about Copilot Studio, and we will have a closer look into the security mechanism behind.
Hi everyone, my name is Benedict. I'm working as an architect for a German Microsoft partner. Happy to be here on the Power Platform Advent Calendar, and I will be delivering two sessions. One is about Microsoft Fabric and its potential, and the other one is how to connect your Canvas app with your Power BI report. Very much looking forward to the sessions and for many interesting topics to cover.
In that case, thank you everyone for tuning us. And if you have not subscribed the channel or does not hit the bell icon, please do this because then you will get the daily notification on your app. Share the videos with your friends and the colleagues who are interested into our platform areas. Till that, have a great time. We'll see you soon. Bye.